everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I had a request to make pancakes for video because I don't have any video ideas. So we're making pancakes because we have not eaten, and all I've consumed so far is coffee today. Oh, I don't like to, it's weird because I know you're listening to me, but I'm not talking to you.
You gonna burn your pancakes?
What?
Are you gonna burn your pancakes?
No.
I bet you are.
I'm not gonna burn my pancakes, don't you curse me like that. First things first, I'm gonna put all of my ingredients together. So, 2 eggs. That scared the hell out of me. I don't know why that scared me. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs and not get shells in them. Unless you want crunchy pancakes, then you know, you do you. 2 cups of Bisquick. Normally, I'm a Krusteaz fan.
That's your crusty.
So I don't usually use Bisquick. And 1 cup of milk. I have coconut milk, so that's what we are going to use. It's also pancakes and it shouldn't really matter. Just mix it all together. So it's nice and pancakey. How's everybody's life going? Staying at home and trying to not infect others. Should be staying inside, and you should make pancakes, because that's what I'm doing. So actually what I'm gonna do is spice up these pancakes a little bit, because I'm gonna add vanilla and cinnamon to the pancakes.
Not chocolate chips.
I'm not adding, I'll make chocolate chip pancakes just for you, okay? Make chocolate chip pancakes for him, because he's extra. Get batter all over the counter. Add a little bit of ground cinnamon. And then like a cup full of vanilla extract. Mix that all. And then it makes your house smell like Christmas, so that's nice. Then go ahead and have your pan on. I'm just doing this like portable pan so you can see. Put your butter all over the pan so it doesn't stick. This is a non-stick pan, but I don't trust it. And measure out your pancakes. You're gonna want to wait until they start to bubble to flip them, so then you know when to flip them. Otherwise, they will be runny and then make your pan dirty. Let me go ahead and flip it over if I can. Success. Can we talk about like the fact that the first pancake is always the ugliest pancake? I will just sit here and drink my coffee.
Who's tea? You call it tea time.
Tea time with Lauren. Nobody would watch that. Ugly pancake, but it was the first one, so we can only grow from here. And for whatever reason, the pan is smoking. Unfortunately, this pan can only make 1 pancake at once. So we shall be here a while. I'll make a tiny baby pancake. Oh no, oh no, oh no, it's gonna melt into the other one. Oh my god, oh god. What did I do? It stopped flowing. I will now do a time lapse till all my other pancakes are cooked. Okay, let's see in a little bit.
2 hours later.
Oh, that took way too long because my pan kept cooling down for whatever reason. So now, I shall plate the pancakes. So chocolate chip ones. So what you do, you just regular syrup or a berry syrup. Well, actually no, chocolate chips and berries doesn't sound good. I'm talking to you, by the way.
Correct.
Okay, so So you stack your first pancake. You do a little doodad of some syrup. Then the second one, another little doodad of some syrup. Then your third one, and then you brown it. I mean, not drown it. Wow. And then I ran out of syrup. I'm gonna go grab 2 more. Voila. Plated pancakes. Then I am just gonna have 2. And that, ladies and gents, is how I make pancakes. So you should make pancakes. Pancakes are good for any time of the day. Don't you agree, Eli? Yeah. Okay. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.